Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price right now. So this is an emergency 3 a.m. update because Bitcoin during the Asian market open decided to come back down to test this extremely important support level that might change by the time you're watching this video, but 19,798 is the most important level for Bitcoin right now. If we breach below the 2018 previous all-time high, what I would expect is Bitcoin to, at a minimum, come down to 18,440, where we have a CME gap, potentially form a higher low before we can see whether or not we could get some upside back above the 2018 previous all-time high. I'm sure a lot of positions came in around this range here. And so let's continue to monitor this. The reason this is happening, by the way, is S&P 500 futures are coming down right now, but just notice how we have this weekly open as a major support, another big level to watch on the S&P 500 E-mini futures contract. We're talking 3683. As long as we hold above that, Bitcoin has the chance to fill that CME gap. It would get it out of the way. It would actually be a positive thing, in my opinion, for us to potentially form that higher low, to see a healthy continuation of this pattern. This is a 3 a.m. update, snipers. But there's one more thing I want to show you guys, and I'm going to wrap up this video. And that's the fact that if we look at what's happening to Ethereum right now, we are fighting to hold this extremely important support here at 53,500. It's not a coincidence. The Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, as I record this video, at 53,500. If we can hold above this, that's actually a very positive thing for the overall sentiment in the market. The Ethereum to Bitcoin chart leads other altcoins. We'd like to see this level hold. If we test slightly below it, let's look at candle symmetry, because obviously it's an important level. We could come below it, but we really want to hold above 53,500 Satoshis for the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart to assume altcoins are not going to collapse in the immediate short term. And we can go into Bitcoin dominance and other altcoins, but I don't think it's as significant as what's happening right now, snipers. And with that being said, this is a quick update. That was a dog toy. Sorry, I triggered it. It's 3 a.m. Anything could happen on the charts. Asian market open, Bitcoin coming down to test 19,798 snipers. That's an extremely important support level. We want to hold above that level. We come back below it, totally fine. It might be healthy for Bitcoin to just fill that CME gap at 18,440. We're only midweek. It would be a good time to do that, form a higher low, and then see a healthy continuation on the upside. That's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, snipers. I appreciate each and every one of you tuned into the channel. Remember that S&P 500 weekly open is also something you want to monitor on the charts. And then we'll continue to update you guys about the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, because that's going to give us a more macro opinion on how altcoins will react. And with that, I'm going to head to sleep. Thank you all, snipers, for tuning into this 3 a.m. update. I'm going to get some red light infrared therapy before I go to bed. And with that, I'll see you guys next time. Snipers out.